Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, today our topic is alcohols and phenols. First, alcohols. Term alcohol is applied to the class of organic compound whose molecule contain at least one hydroxyl group. Whose molecules contain at least one hydroxyl group. Hydroxyl group. That is OH group. It means that class of organic compound or family of organic compound whose molecule contain hydroxyl group. That means hydroxyl group is attached to the aliphatic carbon atom. Alcohols are considered as the organic derivatives of water, in which hydrogen atom, one of the hydrogen atom, is replaced by alkyl group, water and alcohol. R is the alkyl group, which may be CH3, CH3, CH2, etc., to which OH group is directly attached. Such molecules are called as alcohols. On the other hand, phenols. Class of organic compounds whose molecule contain hydroxyl group, OH group, attached to aromatic ring. That is benzene ring. For example, aromatic ring, OH group is directly attached to the benzene ring. Such molecule is called as phenol. So alcohols, general formula of alcohol is ROH, whereas phenyl group attached to hydroxyl group. Now classification of alcohols on the basis of number of hydroxyl group. Classification of alcohols. Number first, on the basis of number of hydroxyl group present in the molecule. On the basis of number of hydroxyl group present in the molecule, alcohols may be monohydric alcohol or polyhydric alcohol. Polyhydric alcohol may be dihydric alcohol or trihydric alcohol. So first, monohydric alcohol. Monohydric alcohols contain one hydroxyl group per molecule. One hydroxyl group contain one hydroxyl group per molecule. For example, CH3OH, methyl alcohol, or methanol. CH3, CH2OH, ethyl alcohol or ethanol, Similarly, CH3, CH2, CH2OH, propyl alcohol, or propanol. In all these molecules, there is only one hydroxyl group attached to the alkyl group: methyl alcohol, ethyl alcohol, and propanol. So these are the monohydric alcohol. Now dihydric alcohol. They contain two hydroxyl group per molecule. For example, ethylene glycol, CH2 bond CH2, one hydroxyl group attached to this carbon, and second hydroxyl group is attached to this carbon. There are two hydroxyl group present in the molecule, so it is dihydric alcohol. It is also called as ethane 1,2-diol. It is an antifreeze agent which added to water in the radiator of the cars. Third one, trihydric alcohol. Three hydroxyl group per molecule. For example, glycerol. Chemical formula CH2 bond CH2 bond CH2. Hydroxyl group, three hydroxyl groups are present in this molecule. This glycerol is also called as 1,2,3 propanediol. Glycerol is used in medicine and cosmetic industry. It is the basis of the manufacturing of creams and ointments. So, based on the number of hydroxyl group present in a molecule, alcohols may be monohydric alcohol, dihydric alcohol, or trihydric alcohol. Monohydric alcohol contain one hydroxyl group per molecule, dihydric alcohol contain two hydroxyl group per molecule, and trihydric alcohol contain three hydroxyl group per molecule. Now similarly, classification of phenol on the basis of number of hydroxyl group in the molecule. Classification of phenols on the basis of number of hydroxyl group. Number of hydroxyl groups in the molecule. They are also classified as monohydric phenol, dihydric phenol, and trihydric phenol. Monohydric phenol contain one hydroxyl group per molecule. One hydroxyl group per molecule. For example, we have hydroxybenzene. In hydroxybenzene, OH group is directly attached to the aromatic ring, so it is also called as phenol, and it is monohydric. Similarly, this molecule CH3OH also contain one hydroxyl group in the molecule, so it is called as 2-methyl phenol, or it is also called as orthocresol. Similarly, we have metacresol also. OH group is present at this position, meta position. So it is called as 3-methyl phenol or metacresol. Similarly, OH group present at this position, so it is called as 4-methyl phenol or paracresol. So in all these compounds, only one hydroxyl group is present in the molecule. Hydroxyl group is directly attached to the benzene nucleus, to the aromatic ring. So these are called as monohydric. Second is the dihydric phenol. Dihydric phenol contain 2 hydroxyl group per molecule. For example, catechol. Catechol is the 1,2-dihydroxybenzene. Common name is catechol. IUPAC name 1,2-dihydroxybenzene or 1,3-dihydroxybenzene. 1,3-dihydroxybenzene is commonly called as resorcinol. Another one, hydroxyl group present para to each other, so it is called as 1,4-dihydroxybenzene. It's commonly called as quinol. In UPAC system of nomenclature, numbering of the benzene ring is as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When 1, 2 dihydroxybenzene, 1, 3 dihydroxybenzene, 1, 4 dihydroxybenzene. So these are the dihydric phenols. Now trihydric phenol. Trihydric phenol contain 3 hydroxyl group, OH groups per molecule. For example, OH, OH and OH. 1, 2, 3 trihydroxybenzene. It is commonly called as pyrogalal. Another example, OH group, OH group, OH group. 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4 trihydroxybenzene. Commonly called as hydroxyquinol. Another example, 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5 trihydroxybenzene. Commonly called as phloroglucanol. All these compounds contain 3 hydroxyl group in the molecule, so these are trihydric. Now classification of monohydric alcohols. classification of monohydric alcohol. On the basis of nature of the carbon to which hydroxyl group is attached, monohydric alcohol can be classified as primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols. Primary alcohols. Number first, primary alcohols. Primary alcohol. These are those alcohols in which hydroxyl group is attached to that carbon atom which is attached to one or non-carbon. Hydroxyl group is attached to that carbon atom which is attached to one carbon atom or non-carbon atom. For example, we have carbon attached to hydrogen, attached to hydrogen, attached to hydrogen, and to this carbon atom OH group is directly attached. This is called as methyl alcohol. Methyl alcohol. Similarly, carbon attached to hydrogen, attached to carbon, attached to hydrogen and directly attached to the hydroxyl group. So hydroxyl group is attached to that carbon atom which is attached to one carbon atom. So it is the primary alcohol and it is represented by 1 degree. Similarly, C bond H bond C bond C, CH2, CH2, CH3, OH. It is also primary alcohol because OH group is directly attached to the carbon atom which is attached to one carbon. So it is also primary alcohol. Now secondary alcohol. Secondary alcohol is called as 2 degree alcohol. Here OH group is directly attached to that carbon atom which is attached to two other carbon atom. OH group is directly attached to that carbon which is attached to linked to two other carbon atoms. For example, C, H, C, C, CH3, CH3, OH. Here OH group is directly attached to the carbon atom which is attached to two other carbon, 1 and 2, two other carbons. So it is secondary alcohol. It is represented, generally represented as R alkyl group, H, R, OH. Carbon atom to which hydroxyl group is attached to two other carbon atom. Such alcohol is called as secondary alcohol, and in short it is represented as R2CHOH. Similarly, primary alcohol is represented as RCH2OH. This is a primary alcohol, this one is a secondary alcohol. Now tertiary alcohol. Tertiary alcohol is also called as 3 degree alcohol. These are those alcohols in which hydroxyl group is attached to that carbon atom which is attached to 3 other carbon atom. Hydroxyl group, that is OH group, is attached to that carbon atom which is attached to, linked to 3 other carbon atoms. For example, carbon atom attached to one carbon atom, second carbon atom, and third carbon atom. The OH group is attached to this carbon atom, which is attached to 3 other carbon atoms. Such alcohol is called as tertiary alcohol. Generally, CH3 group may be any alkyl group, R group, R group, R group, and OH. This OH group is attached to this carbon atom. General formula for tertiary alcohol is R3COH, tertiary alcohol. In general, the carbon atom which is attached to one carbon, it is called as primary. This carbon is secondary because it is attached to 2 other carbon, left and right carbon. It is secondary carbon. This carbon is attached to 3 other, 1, 2, and 3. So this carbon is tertiary carbon. This carbon is attached to one carbon, so it is primary carbon. This carbon is attached to 3 other carbon, 1, 2, 3, and 4 carbon on 4 sides. So it is called as quaternary carbon. This carbon is primary, primary, and primary because these carbons are attached to only one carbon atom. So in short, carbon atom which is attached to one carbon is primary. Carbon atom which is attached to 2 other carbon atom is secondary. Carbon atom which is attached to 3 other carbon atom is called as tertiary. So if hydroxyl group is attached to this type of carbon, it is called as primary alcohol. If hydroxyl group is attached to this type of carbon, it is called as secondary. And if it is attached to this carbon which is attached to 3 other carbon atom, it is called as tertiary alcohol. So this is all about alcohol, phenol, and classification of alcohol and phenol. Okay, thanks.